Hi guys! So it is our fair, which is called the Fayette County Fair. We are going to the Fayette County Fair today. Hi! Savannah's back there in the back. Say hi, baby. So I thought I'd take you with me today. I know this isn't like cleaning videos, but it's another like day in the life. I thought I'd just share some fun things that we're doing in the summer. And we have not been to the Fayette County Fair in a very long time because COVID and everything else. So we're excited to go, and we're hoping to have a really good day. So I thought I'd take you with me and show you what our little town's fair is, because this is a big deal where I live. The Fayette County Fair is a big deal. So we're gonna go and have some fun, and I thought I'd take you with me.
No, you didn't.
We are at the Fayette County Fair.
Fried dough.
It goes everywhere. Fried dough. Look at that, cooking up some yummies. Gyros. Now we're gonna go see some animals.
What's that, Mom?
Huh?
Henna tattoo. See if we can get here early enough to get a seat in here.
Yeah, that's where we always sit. We will.
What are those?
They're henna tattoos are like, they go away in a couple days. They're not permanent.
Here comes one.
Aw, look how cute.
Just getting ready to show it.
Aw. Aw. These are all the little babies. They'll be all auctioned off today.
Let's go stand in front of them over there.
Oh, you can't come into some of the stuff, Mom. Mom, we'll walk down. There's different things. Just watch out for cow poopy.
Goat down there. Poultry. These are steers.
Yeah.
He's sitting aback.
Oh my God, look how cute. Chickens, are we allowed to go in there? Oh, look at all the chickens.
It's so noisy.
Look how pretty. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's pretty.
He's looking at me.
Oh my God, look how big he is.
That one's looking at me.
Look how cute. Look.
Wow. Look at the turkey spreading his feathers.
Oh my gosh, look at them.
What does it mean when they move their legs backwards like this?
They're scraping. Look at this guy, Vanna. Look at him. Oh my God. Look at him. Come over here. Look at him. Oh my God, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh my God, look at this rabbit.
He is so cute.
Oh my God, he's so freaking adorable. Look at his ears. Goats.
Yeah, you gotta get it like how they do it.
A billy goat.
Meh.
Meh. Hi. Look at you. They're cute. Look at all the little cow faces. Come here, Vanna, look. Look. Look at the cow. Oh, he says, no way, dude. I'm coming. Look at all these little cow faces. Look at this cow face. Look at that cow face.
Brr.
Look at this cow face. Look how cute. Hi, buddy.
Look, I want to see you.
Hi. Well, hello. How are you? Look at you. Your fluffy ears. They're so stinky. Aw, look how cute. Look at all the tractors. All the art. Wow, lots of talented.
Anime. I know
Is
that
it?
anime. It's the one
There's Moana.
That anime you won't let me watch is Demon Slayer. I recognize the character. There's Naruto. Some other anime character I don't know.
Here's Junior. These are Junior pencil drawings. These are kids your age, Savannah.
Look at that one. I want the anime that says that one.
Yeah, look, that got a kid down there too. This is all Junior. Oh, here's pictures. Wow, nice.
You don't want to go back to it?
She hit it. My aunt.
They got a funnel cake. Look at that. I can't have none of that, so I got a pickle. I got a pickle. It looks good, guys. Look, they got it from there. He was nice. They do fried pickles, and I'm like, I can't have anything fried. Can I just have a pickle? He was like, all right, we'll just give you a pickle. See the fried pickles right here? I was like, I can't have fried pickles. Can I just have a pickle? I did, so he just gave me a pickle. All right, guys, I am leaving the hospital. I know that's like, what? Oh, you were just at the fair. Yes, I was. I was just at the fair. I had to go get some tests done at the hospital today. I guess I can take this off now. I had to get some tests done at the hospital, and my mom had to take Savannah. Let me turn this down so I don't get copyrighted. My mom had to take Savannah to the dentist. So they're not done yet. I got done with my testing before they're done. So we took her to the fair this morning just to keep her mind kind of preoccupied with things. I'm sorry, guys, I'm driving. To keep her mind kind of preoccupied this morning before her appointment, because her appointment wasn't until 1:30 this afternoon. So I took her to the fair so she could have some fun and just kind of keep her mind off things. She's a little nervous. She has to get fillings. So, and I don't know if I'm ready for that. So my mom took her to the dentist. So I took the opportunity to go to the hospital and get the tests done that I got to get done. So they're not done yet. So instead of going home and just sitting there and waiting, I think I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree up by me, because the other Dollar Tree that was in my last video on Monday, I showed you guys like maybe a minute of clips there because they were just setting out the fall stuff. And that one is about 25 minutes from me. This one's right down the road here. So I think I'm just gonna stop at the Dollar Tree and see if they have any fall stuff. What I really wanna do is I wanna find some cutesy small fall stuff to do my 3-tier tray. If I can get some stuff from the Dollar Tree today and you know, I think it's enough. Maybe I can do a 3-tier tray decorate with me for Friday. That'll be fun. So that's kind of what I'm going to the Dollar Tree for. I don't have anything like in specifics. I just want some cutesy things to sit by my microwave and in my 3-tier tray to switch over for the season. So fingers crossed that this Dollar Tree will have some fall things out. And not just be setting up like the one the other day that I showed you. But I hope you guys enjoyed some of that fair footage. We had a good time. I was just so happy to be out, and I was okay, and there's no panic, there's no fear. I feel good, and I'm driving. I'm by myself. I'm all by myself. I went to the hospital, had my tests done, all by myself. So I'm doing so much better, and I'm just so happy that I'm doing better, and I'm just doing as much as I can to keep my freedom, because panic disorder and anxiety and all that, they want to isolate you, and they want to steal your quality of life. And I'm so happy, because I went through months and months and months and months of not being able to do anything. Like, I couldn't even go to a restaurant with my family. So I am so happy. But anyways, I think we're gonna, we're here. I'm driving past the stores now. So I think I'm gonna pull in right here, and we're gonna hop into this Dollar Tree and see what they got. Right here it is, Dollar Tree. Do you see it? Dollar Tree. Yeah, we're gonna hop in here. Just gotta park real quick. Park with me, guys. Park with me. I'm gonna park, and we'll go in and see what they got. All right, let's do it.
This is all they have. But those are cute. I might have to get one of those.
So they pretty much have all the same signs except for these guys. They're cute. Look at these guys. Happy Harvest. They have one in blue. Well, geez, if I would have known you were very nice.
Yep.
This is all they have, guys. I can't believe it. That's it. And then they have the floral. That is all the fall stuff. Like, I can't believe my area is this far behind with all the fall stuff. That's it. So disappointing. Alright, so I just left the Dollar Tree. That was really disappointing. But look who's back. She just came from the dentist, and she did absolutely wonderful, her Nana said. So, yay! So we're headed home. I did get a few things. I think like 5 or 6, maybe 7 things. So when I get home, I will show you the few things that I did pick up. That was so disappointing. I've seen really cute fall stickers, and it's just like, what is wrong with my DT and my Target in my area? Jeez. But anyways, so we're headed home. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't have air conditioning, so that's why I have to drive with my windows down, and that's why whenever I come back from anywhere and I film, I look like I'm a total disaster, because I look windblown, my hair is everywhere. I don't have air conditioning in my car. So, but anyways, when I get home, I'll show you the few little fall things that I did buy, and that'll probably be the video today. So maybe this weekend the DT will be caught up and have some fall things. And if that's the case, then I will do a DT fall shop with me. But until they put stuff out, I'll share the little bit that I did get. I'll see you at home, guys. Alright guys, I'm home. So I thought I'd show you real quick. I just got a little bit of stuff. So I'll show you the non-fun stuff first. Savannah needed a new pair of socks. And because she just got work done on her teeth, I picked her up some chocolate pudding for later tonight, because she's going to have to eat soup and probably some chocolate pudding. And then I got her a peach tea I'm going to put in the fridge for her so it gets nice and cold for later, because right now she's really numb. And she needed some shampoo. So that was the non-fun things. The fun things are this. Isn't that pretty? So I don't know if this is a tea light one or not. No. I was thinking maybe the opening was big enough to stick a tea light in, so you could see a little light through that, but you can't. But it's still really cute. And they had this in orange, but I like the white because I got other orange things. So I got this, and this is ceramic. Then I got these, which are foam. They're the foam, but I like them because they'll look really cute in different places in the 3-tier tray. I feel like you guys are super close. So I got that one, and then I got an orange tall one. So I thought that was really cute. Then I got these, which are candles, but I'm going to take them out of the plastic because they're little acorns, and they are candles. They are candles, but they're cute little acorns. And I'll take them out of their plastic. But aren't they adorable? So I got 2 of these. So I thought these would be really cute to stick in different places on my 3-tier tray. So I did get those. And then I got these little pillows. Aren't these adorable? I thought these would be super, super cute in my 3-tier tray. So this one says Happy Harvest, and I love that little blue pumpkin with the white. So I'm hoping I can find some blue pumpkins, because that will totally go with my decor. So I just love that one. And then the last little pillow I got was this one. And it says Bless Our Family with a white pumpkin. Isn't it pretty? And then the back of them look like burlap. So those are cute. That's it, guys. That's all I got from the Dollar Tree. Very disappointing. And my 3-tier tray is a big 3-tier tray. So I'm going to need a few more things than just that to put in there. I thought they'd have some cute little like scarecrow sit-arounds. I want to get a couple little signs. I want to get those stickers. I don't know why, but I'm going to do something with them cute stickers. I've seen some really cute stickers that people keep showing on Instagram. So there's a few things that I want to get. So hopefully when I'm filming this, it's Tuesday. So either hopefully later this week or by this weekend, my DTs are caught up to like all the stuff that I'm seeing everywhere. But I don't know how long this video will be by the time I put it all together, but I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. I wanted just to share a day with you guys. I feel like I keep cleaning the same things over and over again. I mean, when you live in a mobile home, you can only clean the same spaces so many times. So I feel like, I don't know, like maybe I was boring you guys with the same like cleaning over and over again. So I just thought, you know, I'd throw in some different things here and there. And we were going to the fair and just some stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. And as always, whether you live in a mobile home or mansion, just be thankful for whatever God is giving you. Remember that I love you, but He loves you so much more. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in another video. Until then, stay blessed, take care of you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.